and thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be making Chinese cabbage salad, and this recipe was created by my mother, along with many other recipes from my cookbook called Believe It or Not. But this zesty, salty, crunchy flavor salad is one of my favorite salads because it's so uniquely different from all the other salads I make. I would pair this salad with any type of Asian cuisine. And if I were making this salad for you, I would pair it with some stir fry or some fried rice. It all sounds so, so good. So we're gonna get chopping here. I am gonna be chopping all of these greens into bite-sized pieces. So I'm gonna be chopping bok choy, Napa cabbage, and then I've also already chopped some cabbage because after you chop cabbage, you actually have to wash it. And what I did is I pre-washed all of these beautiful greens. So what I want you guys to do is actually just chop these greens into small, tiny, bite-sized pieces. Now, with the bok choy, I usually just take off the green leaves of this bok choy, and I set aside the other parts. So I love creating easy recipes that are full of flavor. Ellen White says in Counsels on Diet, Ellen White says in Ministry of Healing, chapter 23, that grains, fruits, nuts, and vegetables constitutes the diet chosen for us by our Creator. That these food prepared in a healthful manner in as simple and natural a manner as possible are the most helpful and nourishing. They impart a strength, a power of endurance, and a vigor of intellect that are not afforded by any other complex and stimulating diet. So basically what Ellen White is saying is that if we want to be smart, and if we want to be powerful, and if we want to be strong, that we need to have a simple diet. So I've just chopped the bok choy, and now I'm going to be getting into this Napa cabbage. I love Napa cabbage because it has the flavor of cabbage, but yet it's lighter than cabbage, because sometimes cabbage can actually get pretty coarse, and it could be kind of a little tough to eat sometimes if you get it at the wrong time of the year. But Napa cabbage is always so light and beautiful, and I absolutely love the flavor. So just finished up this Napa cabbage, chopping it up. How simple is this? Then I'm going to be taking my actual cabbage that I chopped earlier, rinsed it off earlier, and I'm gonna be throwing my actual cabbage in there too. Okay, so after we have finished all this cabbage, now time for the best part of this salad. It is the noodles. So the noodles, I have taken 3 bags of ramen noodles. So please make sure that you find ramen noodles that are averagely healthy. I know some ramen noodles at the store are not healthy at all, but if you go to a health food store, you could kind of find some that are averagely healthy, but do not leave the noodles out of this salad because it's definitely the best part. So I'm gonna be taking the back side of a spoon, and I'm gonna be chopping these into bite-sized pieces. After I do that, I just pour it into our large bowl. Next, we are going to be adding the seeds into our salad. Now, the seeds are absolutely wonderful. So I have sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, and almonds. So seeds are extremely amazing for you. They contain everything necessary to actually create life, to create a complex plant. Because of this, they're extremely nutritious. Seeds are so important for getting your fiber in. So we got our seeds in. Now we're gonna be adding the salad dressing. Now, the salad dressing is super easy. I have 2 cloves of garlic, a half cup of olive oil, 2 lemons squeezed, and I'm actually going to be adding soy sauce. Now, this base salad dressing that I have, I use for absolutely everything, on every salad that I make. It's so delicious. And I just add some soy sauce to it, and now it's ready for my salad. So I go ahead and pour this all over. I cannot wait for you guys to try this salad. I could smell the saltiness, the zest. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Now I'm just gonna add some green onions, to finish off this salad. Then I'm just gonna be tossing it and enjoying it. So good. The freshness from the greens make this entire salad delicious. But I also love the saltiness from the soy sauce and the crunch from the noodles. It's all truly amazing. I really hope that you take the time to study just how important our diet is in relationship to God. So I want to leave you with this quote from the Ministries of Healing. Ellen White says, carefully consider your diet. Study from cause to effect. Cultivate self-control and keep appetite under control of reason. Never abuse the stomach by overwhelming, but do not deprive yourself of wholesome, palatable food that health demands. So basically, Ellen White is saying, eat healthy foods. Cheers, everyone. I hope you enjoy.